A very good evening to you. Let's get into sports now. My name is Robinson Okenye. Athletics Kenya has said it will set up an oversight committee that will deal with the doping menace in the country. This is after the federation met with the athletes and chairmen from branches across the country in a bid to help sort out the issue. Kenya is in category A of the doping watch list. At the same time, AK President Jackson Tuwei has said it is unfortunate that billions are said to be unaccounted for in the Auditor General's report on the IAAF World Under-18 Championships that took place in Nairobi in 2017.
If it happened, it's very unfortunate. I hope it didn't. Everything has been done in terms of suspensions, in terms of banning, in terms of all the punishments that have been given within the law that is given in WADA. But I think as a country, maybe we need to go further. I think we need to go further because we have talked about this, we have discussed, we have educated. They have been punished by the right authorities, but we're still having this problem. So I think maybe we need to go a little bit further. So this oversight team should be able to assist us and say and advise and say, what do we do? Of course, we have got our own recommendations as a federation. So we'll present those so that maybe the government can take up beyond this and see the best way of going forward.
Sony Sugar tactician Patrick Odhiambo is the coach of the month for July. The immediate former Chemelil Sugar FC head coach beat Bandari's Bernard Mwalala to become just the second winner of the gong from the club since the inception 3 years ago. Sony Sugar collected the most points in July after beating Sofapaka, Nzoia Sugar and Mathare United.
Give thanks to Almighty for this way he's brought us. Second, the management of Sony Sugar. They've given me since I came to this team. Third, to my fellow technical bench members, for the teamwork, for the leadership that we started in this team since I came. And most of all to the players who have been there, in and out, working hard, with all the challenges ahead to this excellence.
Now, Kenya was knocked out of the Africa Under-17 Cup of Nations qualifiers after a 4-2 defeat to Ethiopia in the final group match. Kenya needed a win to secure a semi-final slot, but Ethiopia proved too hot to handle. In other matches of the day, Uganda thrashed Djibouti 8-0 to advance to the semis. The winner of this tournament will gain qualification for next year's Junior Continental Showpiece alongside Tanzania, who qualify automatically by virtue of being the host.
2 against 1 Wajira. Mtu ameshalamba kule. Hakuna mwenzio wa kumwachia nafasi ile tena. Baise!
About 700 athletes are expected to take part in the inaugural edition of the Kirdam Road Race to be held in Kabarnet Town in Baringo County on the 25th of August. Speaking during the launch of the race, Baringo Central Member of Parliament Joshua Kandie said the initiative is aimed at nurturing young talent around the region while also raising funds for water supply.
We shall be having a 10-kilometer run for both men and women, with a prize money, of course, of 50,000, which is the ceiling of Athletics Kenya. Then the top 10 will be paid up for an honoraria.
Before the event itself, we hope to have raised a substantial amount of money. The main reason is we want to buy pipes, build tanks, so that we can complement what the government is doing, what Rift Valley Water Services Board is doing by bringing the water close to the consumers or to the families within.
Move to golf now. David Waku from Golf Park Golf Club returned a sizzling score of par 65 on the 4th and final round of the Safari Tour Championship at the Nyali Golf and Country Club to win the championship by 3 strokes, claiming the top prize of 150,000 Kenya shillings. Dismas Indiza had a rough day at the office through the 4th round, finishing with 4 par score of 75 for a total of 287. Indiza only managed 2 birdies on the 1st and 11th holes. Indiza finished second, while Riz Charania and Eric Oko finished tied on the 3rd place.
And looking at my game, it's just simple. What I'm going to say is that I had a very nice caddy who was really taking me along the course in a manageable manner. And how I did it is that I was actually really managing my golf from the tee box to the green.
Well, that is your sport for now. My name is Robinson Okenye. Have a good night.